In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock the inner fire charm. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now you're going to begin by getting a few items because, as you know, you unlock more recipes the more items you find. So what you're going to need to unlock the inner fire charm is some wool thread, which is something that you can create with the spinning wheel, and the loom if you have some wool from a sheep. Now, cut ruby is something you're going to need to use to get from cutting the ruby in the gem cutter. Bright core is found in a lot of different caves. And then the blast core is, I believe, what comes off of the creature. Yes, it comes off of the blasters, which are also near the lava. So once you get these items, you are going to unlock the recipe, and that's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.